Yo, what's up, guys? We back here with another video, baby. It's your boy Dark Renegade 14 here, man. You already know, guys. Shit, well, you don't know, but this is an unboxing video. I just copped them new. Well, they new to me. I just copped some brand new fucking shoes. Yeah, they some Pumas, but they just not any ordinary Pumas, my niggas. Ooh. Oh, holding the box upside down. Damn. Upside down. Okay. Ooh, look at that shit, cuz. Ooh. Got the Dreamers in this bit, but J. Cole, look at the box. Nigga on the box. Box is clean as fuck. Ooh. Got the Puma right there, bitch. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. And shit's nasty, cuz. I got them Jermaine Coles. Oh, shit. Nah, but for real, though. Man, look at the motherfucking paper. Look at the paper on this shit, cuz. Bitch, I don't even want to rip this. I don't even want to just, like a kid on Christmas. I don't want to do that shit, bitch. I'm going to do this shit gentle as fuck, bruh. I'm gonna unfold this motherfucking paper, cuz. That's one layer. And another layer. Oh, this paper, fuck this paper. This paper's just white. Not that I got anything against white thing. Okay, let me stop. Oh, young MA. Oh, hold on. Oh, shit. Damn. These hoes look a little big for your boy feet, but I'm gonna have to try these hoes on. They got them on my side, though. These are 10. Ooh, look at these hoes. These hoes are fucking fire. Let me put them on the camera so I can see these hoes. These hoes are nice. Ooh, that's so motherfucking nice, God. Ooh, look at the front of these motherfuckers. Hold on, let me see. I want y'all to see this part. This is the part that stuck out to me. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that color. Look at that color. Look at it. Let me see what the inside of the soul. Oh, well. I ain't really know. Who these hoes say Dreamer? You don't know, you can see that bit, but this ain't Dreamer in there. I ain't took the stuffing out. Because I just got home and just got these motherfuckers. I was like, man, you know what? I want to open these hoes so bad. But I was like, these codes. Come on, man. Dreamer alert. Dreamer. Yeah. Dream big. Oh, my. Dreams make the world go round, people. Oh, my, they do. You got some dreams. Oh, my God. Some jeans. I'm pretty sure a lot of people got fucking jeans, Rich. Anyway, if you got some dreams, chase them hoes, man. Don't let nobody tell you other. That's what this shoe mean. At least to me, that's what the shit mean. But yeah. Oh, look at you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, these hoes are nice. Nice, dog. Nice. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna wear with these yet. But I got something. Something hit with these hoes. Something. Man, if you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing video, I mean, let me bring out the other shit. Let me just bring out the other shit. Oh, look at these boys, y'all. Look at these boys. Look at these boys. Look at these boys. These boys are super hot fire. This shit is wet. J. Cole, what the fuck were you thinking when you made these hoes, bro? Cold World, baby. Dream. Oh, man, I like the fact that the RS matches this part right here. Like, to me, that's so fucking dope. I don't know why, but look at this shit. Damn. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed the video, man, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, man, share with your family, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. I like doing this, like showing you guys my kicks, man. Like I like this shit. These hoes are fire, man. But you know, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. You know, show my channel some love, man. You know, I know it's been a minute, but I see you guys out there. Deuces.